Works out.
Can you explain what this is?
We are in Valencia on March 18th.
Yep.
It is Festival de las Fallas.
Yep.
And at 2 o'clock there's going to be the Mascleta with a ton of fireworks.
We're gonna just explore a little bit, walk around until we can check in and see some fireworks, I guess. So we're walking next to this big water thing. I don't really know. Austin's singing. Some might call it water, others may not. Clearly I've gotten no sleep. All the traveling is really hard, but fun. We are about to go to the complimentary breakfast, which I'm hype about, but we are trying to be a little healthier here. So I'm hoping they have some like eggs or fruit and different options like that. And then it's a beautiful day. It's like 65, 70. So we're gonna go down to the beach and just kind of have like a chill day because we've just been traveling so much. So we were both really excited for that. Alright, so we just had some acai smoothie bowls. Just working on the like health moment, you know. And then we had this like hummus avocado toast, which is so good. And I haven't had hummus in like probably 2 months. So I was really feeling that. Now we're just on this little cute street, just walking around. Maybe we'll get a kebab, maybe not.
We're getting a kebab. And then it's like, oh yeah, oh that picture I saw it on Carson Light's Instagram story.
Austin's mad that I want to take the same picture, but how pretty is this? Can you blame me? This is a beautiful view. Just got back from the beach, kind of refreshed a little bit, and we're gonna go get smoothie bowls again. So nice because it's kind of more of a vacation than a trip, and we've been doing a lot of like trips and traveling and stuff like that, which is also amazing, but sometimes it's nice to just chill and, you know, hang out a little bit. So drinking lots of water, and we're gonna go, I forgot what I was saying. What are we doing? Oh, so it's actually nice. There's a walk. The walk to the town is about 15 minutes. It's all along the ocean. It's so pretty. So we're gonna go do that, and we're gonna try a new little acai smoothie place. It's just really nice to get also fruits and vegetables, because in Italy, I don't know, it's a lot of carbs and cheese and good food and good tomatoes and olive oil, but it's less of the like fresh seafood and fruit and veggies, which is kind of what I prefer. So I'm really excited to go try out a new place. And then later we're gonna maybe go hike, but yeah, that's kind of our plan for today. And then we'll try out a new little seafood place at night. But yeah, we're having a great little time. And also I really like Lagos. This is a really cool, different place. It's just kind of very laid back, chill. Everyone we've met is so nice. Like everyone who works here is just friendly. Yeah, so definitely would recommend. Bye.